Okay, what you want to do is cut off your Coke connector. Now you can tee this in line or you can have it just by itself. So once you have the tube, stick the hose clamp over the tube, put it on the connector, and it's a crimp style hose clamp. So take a pliers or a diagonal cutters and just pinch it here, and then it will look like that. You'll have a permanent hose clamp. Now on the other side, you can either tee in your Coke connector, but that's not necessary. You can just have that and use the included plug, which looks like this. Then you just cap that off, and it doesn't matter what end of the connector you attach the hose to. So once you have it attached to the hose, what you want to do is you're going to pull out the center till it clicks, just like that, and then you slide it over the box, just like that, and then you push it in till it's flush, and you're good to go. And then to disconnect it, just use your thumbs like that, pull out the center, slide it off, and you're good to go. Now it's spring-loaded here, so nothing's going to come out when it's disconnected. There's a little tab here in the center that when you push it in, this spring-loaded tab is pushed in by this button inside, and it allows the liquid to flow out of the box. So nothing's going to come out of the box until you actually hook it up like that, push it all the way in. That little centerpiece in the part will allow the liquid to come out.